Hello, I am Sudarshan there. Today I am going to discuss about the topic that is work, most important topic in physics. Let's begin. Now, what is work exactly? Work is defined as a force acting upon an object to cause displacement. Now, just remember what we are defining work it as a force acting upon an object to cause displacement. ऐसा फोर्स जो ऑब्जेक्ट पे एक्ट होने वाला है जिसकी वजह से डिस्प्लेसमेंट होनी चाहिए, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना चाहिए. Displacement should be there upon action of force. This is called as work. So force acting upon object to cause displacement is called as work. Now how it is expressed mathematically? It is a product of force and displacement, and that too in a direction of force. Just remember, displacement and displacement is a vector quantity, force is also a vector quantity, but the direction, it should act in a direction of force. Displacement should be, action should be in a direction of force, then only we consider it as a work done. That is, W work done is product of force and displacement, F into S, where W is the work done on an object, F is the force on object, and S is displacement of the object. Unit of work is, now what is the unit? That is Newton meter or joule. Unit will be force, it is measured in Newton, the displacement is measured in meter. So as a combination, that is product, that will Newton meter, or it is also known as, or it is normally recommended and called it as joule. Work is measured in joule. So how can we define now what is 1 joule? 1 joule is defined as amount of work done by force of 1 Newton and displacement of 1 meter. So force of 1 Newton, displacement of 1 meter. When it takes place, then we call it as a 1 joule of work is done. Now what are the sign conventions? Normally just remember, in physics, normally in general cases we consider work is done. But in case of physics, we have to consider whether work done is positive, it is negative, or it is zero. Now these are the concepts where sign conventions regarding work done is considered. Now what are these conventions now? If displacement is in a direction of force, if force and displacement are in same direction, then work done will be a positive. Just remember, displacement and force, they should be in a same direction. Work done will be positive. Now if displacement is in a direction opposite to force, just remember displacement and force, they are in opposite direction, then we will call it as work done as negative. Work done will be negative. That will be minus F into S. Here negative sign indicates that they are in opposite direction. That is why negative minus sign is used. And second case, if displacement is perpendicular, work done is zero. Just remember, force is also there and displacement is also there. But if they are perpendicular, that means they are in 90 degrees. Then we call it as a zero work done. No work is done. Work done is zero. This is more amazing. Both are present. Product is also there. But if their direction is at 90 degrees or both of them are perpendicular, then work done in this case where force and displacement are perpendicular is zero. Zero work is done. I will explain it next how actions takes place actually. In this case, just remember, force acts on a body at an angle of theta direction. Now this is the force, this is the direction of force, and this will be a straight line. If this is the angle theta and this is the direction of force, what, and this is the displacement, that block, this block moves from this position to this second position, and the displacement is S. Just remember, what is displacement? Displacement is S. Then the two components normally act. One is F sin theta, upward direction, and second is F cos theta. Now this F sin theta is balanced by the gravity that is acting in downward direction. Okay, this will be acting. So it is, they comes in equilibrium. They are in equilibrium. As a result, what is left? The left part is F cos theta. So in such case, when force acts in a specific direction theta, then we call it as Fs cos theta. Work done is measured with a formula called as Fs cos theta. This is what the part is. Now if force and displacement are inclined at an angle less than 180 degree, just remember angle is less than 180. This total angle, if you consider this total angle or this total angle from this point particularly to this particular point, then just remember, okay, I will take one ball point. We will consider it as an angle from this particular point. Just part. Consider this angle from this particular point to this particular point. What is this? This will be 180 degrees. But this angle particularly, this angle what we have taken, it is less than 180 degrees. That is why we consider it as a Fs cos theta. What will be our formula we are using? That is Fs cos theta. If angle is less than 180 degrees, formula will be Fs cos theta. Now why this work becomes 0? Just remember why this work becomes 0. If Fs cos theta, if we consider cos theta, then in such case, now Fs cos theta, what we are discussing exactly. Now I will tell you just a simple part with this particular, that why this cos theta or why this angle becomes 0. Now if you consider cos, they are perpendicular. That means if cos 90, what will be the cos 90 over here? Cos 90 degrees. Cos 90 degrees is always, what is cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degree is 0. Let's remember what is cos 90. Cos 90 is, that is why it is 0. That is why we consider when this work done, force and displacement, they are perpendicular to each other, work done, W will be always equal to, what will be the W over here? W, that is our work done, that should be always equal to 0. W is 0 because this cos 90 is 0. This is the concept behind this particular work done. Why work done becomes 0? When force and displacement are at 90 degrees. This is the part. Now we will go ahead with our here on slides. Just remember sign convention what we have used, but will be more clear over here. Work done is positive if force or component of force act on a body in a direction of motion. Force and displacement same direction. Cos, that will be 0. W is equal to Fs cos theta. Theta 0 degrees. So cos 0 is 1, that will be F into S. Work done is 0 if theta is 90 degrees. Force and displacement they are at 90 degrees. So that will be Fs cos theta. Theta is 90 degrees. Cos 90 is 0. So again work done will be 0. Work done is negative if force acts on a body in a direction opposite to its motion. Now theta is less than 180, greater than 90. In such cases, if they are in opposite direction, this is the force, this is displacement, they are in opposite direction. Angle between them is 180 degrees. So that will be minus Fs since cos 180 degrees is minus 1. Due to this, the convention express positive work done, 0 work done and negative work done. This is the exact concept where 3 different type of work done are created according to angles, thetas, according to their directions. Now what are the conditions? 2 conditions should be satisfied, necessary conditions for work to be done. What are the 2 conditions? Force should act on object. Remember, जो object है इस पे force act होनी चाहिए. Force should always act on the object. इधर उधर force act होना चाहिए. Force should act on object only. Force must be displaced. Object must be displaced. So object का मतलब क्या है? What is the part here? Object must be displaced. Object एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जानी चाहिए. Displacement should be done. Object वहीं की वहीं नहीं चलेगा. Object एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाए. Object must be displaced. Now force applied, but no displacement. One of the example over here. If force is without motion, this force is perpendicular. This is the example what I have taken. Now in first case, this is the force applied without motion. Person is pushing this particular box, but there is no motion. Box is not moving. Second case, he is lifting the box. Force is in upward direction. Force is perpendicular to motion and he is moving with a constant velocity. दो चीज देखो, इसमें हम पुश कर रहा है, पुश ही नहीं हो रहा है. दूसरी पिक्चर में, इन सेकंड पिक्चर, he is lifting that box, he is moving. Both things are done. Force is moving, but he is moving with a constant velocity. In such both cases, force is applied, but there is no displacement. Just remember, velocity displacement is 0. When velocity, there constant velocity means what? Velocity, initial final velocity becomes 0. Becomes same, sorry. As a result, we will consider acceleration will become 0 naturally. It's the same concept we are using. So there is no displacement. force is perpendicular to motion. Force and displacement, they become perpendicular. Here if you consider cos theta, that will be cos 90, that will become 0. So no work is done. Both cases no work is done. But in this case force is applied but displacement done. This is applying force. This cart is moving. आप तो जाते ही घूमते ही सुपर मार्केट में इधर उधर शॉपिंग करते हुए अपने मॉम के साथ और फ्रेंड्स के साथ, वो आपने देखा रहेगा. दिस फोर्स कॉजेस मूवमेंट इन अ डायरेक्शन ऑफ फोर्स. दिस फोर्स कॉजेस मूवमेंट इन अ direction. This movement, it is in a direction of force. As God is moving this particular cart, so this direction of force is there, movement is there, and they are in same direction. In such case, what we will say that work is done because force is applied and displacement is also done. So this will be F into S. So as a result, in this case work is done. In these both cases work is not done because there is no displacement. Now this is an example I have taken, very simple example. Force of 7 Newton has on an object. The displacement is 8 meter and direction of force. Let us take it that force acts on the object through displacement. What is the work done? So what will be the work done? Force is 7 Newton. Displacement is 8 meter. What is our formula? Work done is equal to force into displacement. F into S, that is 7 into 8. What is the work done? That will be 56 joules. And 7 8 is 56. So that will be 50 joules. So total work done is 56